Hello, my dudes. I come with some very exciting news.
I'm moving out of my apartment!
And back into a dorm.
So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is me packing up and getting ready to leave for my dorm. Exciting stuff. To pack, I use these giant IKEA bags that my mom had given me. I'm not really sure where she'd gotten them since we haven't bought anything from IKEA, let alone walk in a store. So yeah, but here we go for bag 2. As you can tell, I definitely changed my shirt. I was tired, okay? And it was hot. And here I am, rolling off it. Yep. When I was packing my second bag, I ran out of room and had to repack it, so I shaped everything in a burrito. Look at that. And I had a bag full of burrito-shaped clothing. But what's that? You're asking? That's a pile of clothes that could not fit into an IKEA bag. But don't worry, deep in the dark crevices of my closet was another IKEA bag ready to be filled with stuff my mom thinks I don't need. Here's a tip for you incoming freshmen. Pack every single t-shirt you own. All of them. For real. Every single one, because what else are you gonna wear? All I wore were t-shirts, along with jeans and sweatpants. Sometimes I'd mix it up and wear a sweater. It's not like you're gonna get a bunch of free t-shirts when you're on campus, am I right? Make sure they're from your high school years too, because everyone cares about what theme your prom was junior year, or that you were a varsity star as a freshman. Wait, there's more. Wait. Yep. There it is. Another t-shirt. So yeah, all of those going to college? Most likely. Do they need to? Definitely not. But here I am. And there was nothing left for me to do except for stare into the empty void that is my closet. Because I forgot to turn off the light before I laid down. So I just stared at it. All that there was left to do was just vacuum and clean up the room. After that, everything was spotless and ready to be moved to the car. Which, may I say, was quite the Herculean effort. I did not realize how much stuff I had until I had to pack it away, and it may have looked like I was packing a body bag away, but mind your own business. I just kept coming out with more stuff, and it was just me, because I was leaving on a Tuesday night, so my parents had something called work, so it was just me. Yeah, it was a great time. As you can see, I had plenty of fun packing. I stand corrected. It was a Tuesday morning when I was packing all this stuff up. Sorry, I forgot. It's been a while since I actually videotaped this. I'm not really sure why I closed the trunk when I was just going to have to reopen it when I bring more stuff out, like right now. Would have saved me some work, but it's fine. This was also the point, may I add, that I struggled fitting everything into the car because the car is small and I have a lot of stuff. Okay, I know. Thanks. I know. When I was finally done packing, it was time to move into my dorm, and my roommates and I may or may not have a cat perch because we may or may not have a cat, but you don't need to know about that. Now this is where I ran into a bit of a dilemma. My room was locked. I could not get in. So this was the sweet new dorm I was moved into for the night. Goodbye.